Hi, this is Quantribe. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can parse Yahoo Finance option quotes with R. So if you need option quotes in your project, you can actually try to use Yahoo Finance. That can actually work for you. Issue is that options are not available in APIs Yahoo Finance provide, so you need to parse them manually. But it's quite easy thing to do with R, and in this video, we'll show you how you can do that. So let's go and search for example, Apple. Let's go and select options, and here you can see you have a selection of different options. So let's select one of it, and let's try to parse these tables in R automatically. So here you can see we have like calls separately, and here we have puts. So let's go and parse it. It's quite easy. So here I already have like Jupyter notebook. Let me include a few libraries. So I will use Tidyverse package for just basic kind of data manipulations, and I will use our Rvest package for parsing data. It's really nice to parse with Rvest, and you will see that it's really very easy. So I included these packages. Now let's go and copy URL from our Yahoo Finance page, and let's create a variable called URL and add it to here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to read kind of get the page completely. So to do that, you can use read HTML function from Rvest package, and just pass URL, and let's see how it looks. So as you can see, it worked, and we have like HTML document. It looks not very good. So now what we need to do, we need to basically parse tables from the page. So it's quite easy to do as well. So, but what you need to do, you need to click right button on your table. You need to click inspect, and after that, you need to find a table tag. Here you need to find like what kind of unique path you have to this exact table. But for me, it's quite easy. Here you can see we have a class of calls, so you can use this class to find your table on your page. So let's go and get this table. So I will call this calls page. I will go my page, and now I will do HTML node, and I will pass my class with the dot before it, and after that I will use function HTML table, and that's basically it. So let's go and see how our table looks, and as you can see, it's all here. It's really nice to have it this way. I just spent probably like 10 seconds to do that. We need to work with the stuff a bit, because like if you look at structure of our tables, you can see that we have like a last trade date is like a character vector, client volatility is character. So we can basically just prettify it a bit. So let's go and do that. So I will use this stuff. So first I will parse it as a POSIX CT, and here I need to specify like a format in what my date is. It works like so. It's year, months, date. After that we have like hour, and minutes and AM PM. So that's it. This should work fine. If you want to parse, like for example, implied volatility, here you can see it's character and it has percentage. What you can do is also, it's quite easy to do. Just copy it here, and here you can just do as numeric, and then you can use ester replace. You can, and just replace your percentage by nothing. Let's go and see how now calls look like. Oops, it's not this one. It's calls And as you can see now, it's much better. Now it's really normal POSIX-CT format. And we have really nice date and time. And by volatility now it's numeric as well. It has like nice numeric value. And also what we do, if we look at these calls, you can see that we have here quite a lot of information from older, kind of from today, but older dates. So like it was traded like 7 days ago. So if to filter them, what you can do is just to have like create like another filter statement and just create like as date equal to seize date. So let's see how it looks. So and now it should have on quotes from today. So as you can see, it's quite simple and useful. And if you want to parse like puts, I believe it should be very easy as well. So just you can change this to puts. Class of your table should be puts, and that's it. You can call it. For that, let's see what we have here. And as you can see, we have puts here as well. So as you can see, R is pretty powerful in terms of parsing, and you can actually very easily parse data from different websites. And basically this example, you can see that it's not a big problem. I'll leave a link to the code for this example in description so we can take a look at it. So I think that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.